Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the eye color switch filter on TikTok, so you're going to be able to change the color of your eyes in your videos. It's really easy to do. You're just going to head over to TikTok and open that up and head over to your Discover tab. Then you're just going to want to search for eye color switch. Then all you're going to need to do is just find a video with that filter on it once you find it. So you're just going to click on one of the videos and just scroll down. And then you see down here it says color contact lenses, so we can click on that. And then you just want to add it to your favorites, and then whenever you go make a new video on your TikTok account, you'll be able to use this filter as it'll be under your favorites. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.